Bolu Bear. Ice cream. Oh, wonderful. Let's dig in. I got them. Look at all the ice cream. These are all mine. I think it's melting. Hurry up, I want some. Just a little more. Grab the spoon. You did it, Lily! Ta-da! A quadruple stack. Bravo!
Oh, no!
Oh, A. It's ruined. Oh, no!
Look out!
It's ruined. Almost.
Whoopsie!
Try again. I got it. Look. Oh, hello there. Stop. Wait up. Whee!
Whoa!
Good morning.
Wow! Oops!
Tee-hee! Help! Be careful there, Lily.
Oh, whoops!
Ow! Are you all right? Oops! That was a lot of ice cream.
Yeah, maybe too much.
But worth it. Oh, no! It's getting everywhere. Oh, no! Look at all this mess! It's getting so big!
Don't worry, Lily. We'll figure it out together.
Oh, dear. The flies have found the ice cream.
Ew, look at them all.
Shoo, flies, go away.
They're everywhere.
Oh, no. Look at all the flies. I guess we're not eating that now. Hi, Lily.
Bolu, wait. What's wrong? There's someone over there. Let's see. Yes, I've got it. We can use the pine cones.
Almost there, Bolu. The water is heavy.
Just a little further, Bear. We're right at the door.
There, all done. Don't worry, little one. I'll take care of this.
Oh, Bolu, thank you. There, all better now.
Yay, you're the best, Bolu. Oh, no. It's washing away. My ice cream. I'm sorry, little one. It's all gone now. Welcome.
It's a bit messy in here. Don't worry, I brought a cloth.
Great, let's get cleaning. Look, it's already brighter.
Wow, you're doing a fantastic job.
Almost done, little one.
Just sweeping this last bit up, Bear.
Well, that's better. Now we can go. Look, it's the cabin. Yay! Look at how wonderful this place is now.
It's perfect.
We did a great job.
So clean and beautiful.
Welcome, Lily. Take a good look. It's so cute. I'll watch carefully. That's it. Notice the details.
I made this just for you.
Wow. Thank you, Beery. It looks delicious.
It's the best ice cream ever.
Delicious. Very good, Lily. Eat properly now. I am. Excellent. Welcome, Bolu. Look what we found.
Wow, it's amazing. I love it.
This is so good. The best ever. Remember that flower mess?
Oh, I'll never forget it.
Let's head inside now. Bolu, I'm really sorry. It's okay, Lily. I understand. You look worried, little friend.
I am, Bolu. I made a mistake.
I forgive you. Come here. Thank you. Almost done here.
Let's get these last ones.
Perfect. Sparkling clean.
Looks great.
Welcome, friend.
Oh, I love this cabin.
It's perfect.
Welcome. Everything is ready and neat for you.
Wow, it's perfect. It's exactly as I imagined. This is the best ice cream ever. It's so good, Bolu. Nothing beats this on a sunny day.